How to delete old iCloud backups from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, tap on your Apple account at the very top of the screen. This section manages your personal information, iCloud storage, and other Apple services. On this page, tap on the iCloud option. Now, scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. On this screen, tap on the All Device Backup section to view its details. You can toggle individual apps on or off to customize what gets backed up. To remove the entire backup, scroll to the bottom to find the Turn Off and Delete from iCloud option. Following these steps, you can easily delete old iCloud backups on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.